Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add a watermark in MS Word. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add both default and custom watermarks to your document. So, let's get started. First, open MS Word on your computer. Now, go to the Design tab at the top. Click on the Watermark option. Here, you can choose any built-in watermark style. Click on one, and you'll see the watermark added to your page instantly. If you want to add a custom watermark, click on the Watermark option again, then select Custom Watermark. A new window will open. Here you can change the language type, your custom text, change the font style, choose the font size, auto or custom size, select the watermark color. Once you're done, click on Apply and then Close. Now you can see your custom watermark added to the document. And that's it. You've learned how to add a watermark in MS Word. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more MS Word tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.